Hey everybody, 13 weather meteorologist Sean Ash here. We're coming up on 1:30 here on this Sunday morning. We're going to be providing updates for you on the hour and then through the morning and afternoon on WTHR Plus. Let's set the stage for you. So heavy snow bands developing right on schedule here. 1 inch per hour plus snow rates, possibly some thunder in play from I-70 into northern Kentucky. We're seeing some real impressive snow setting up right now from Bloomington, Columbus, and we are going to be in this snow probably for another 14 plus hours. It's going to come down moderate, heavy at times. The duration and the snow rates and the fact that the warm nose is pushed a little farther north. It's pushing kind of the snow, heavier snow totals a little bit farther north. It's looking more likely like double-digit totals around the metro area, and somewhere between I-70 and the Ohio River will be the snow sweet spot of over a foot of snowfall here. That would be places like Shelbyville, Bloomington, Columbus, and it's going to come real close to Indy here. Could be one of the city's snowiest days on record. Again, we will keep you updated. If you do have to go out, please know traveling's going to get much worse, and some roads may become impassable within these heavy bands that are setting up. Stay safe.